If this is what the back of your truck looks like when you pack, then you definitely need to watch this video. We cut a piece of plywood down so it was a bit smaller to fit in the back of the truck. My husband's box is a 6-foot box, and we loaded up our luggage and some wood, and we decided to build a shelf out of my mom and dad's house because we are so tired of having our luggage all over the place like this. The windows are super dirty, so when you're building new things, it's a great time to also clean. Well, that's a lot better.
So you can like make a post out of this?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put the nicer side down because the top will be covered in plywood. Oh, perfect fit, first cut. Kidding. Okay, now we gotta cut our plywood to put on top. We built this shelf in place. We started with 2 2x4s. We cut them to go across the truck bed, and the one closest to the front was a little bit longer than the other one. You're gonna just have to measure based on your canopy and truck. Okay, so we cannot put the plywood in one sheet. The canopy is tapered, so we gotta put these in separate. Okay, I think that's lined up. Does that look okay from out there? I'm using 1 1/4 inch screws to screw the 1/2 inch plywood onto the 2x4s. I put about 4 or 5 screws on the front side and then the same on the back side. Okay, hubby's in the workshop sanding the 2x2 that we're gonna put here for a lip, and then we're gonna put a 2x2 on the back side here so that nothing hits the window. And my dad's just grabbing some screws. We're gonna put some 3-inch screws to go through the 2x2, the plywood, and this 2x4. Okay, we ran out of daylight and my phone died yesterday, so here is the finished view of our shelf. It's got a nice little lip on both sides so it won't go into the window, and then it'll hold Rubbermaid bins here. We'll show you what it looks like all packed up. Rubbermaid bins also fit underneath, and then we also have this hook we can use to pull bins out from the back of the truck. So much more organized and way easier to pack things. We're winning. Just got home from our 2-hour drive on bumpy gravel roads, and as you can see, everything stayed in place and it's still so organized. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want more DIYs that you can do.